SMMT Stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer all this in this very short 1-minute video. I've invested tens of thousands of dollars in courses, mentors, spent 5 years and finally figured out what's actually making me good money. And by the way, not like anyone else, I have 40,000 videos documented over 5 years on this YouTube channel. So in this particular instance, we can argue this is in such a perfect bullish range, which is even funny. So when we open up next week, I mean, I had that demand zone there, but that didn't quite happen. But when we open up on next week, the tap has already kind of happened. So best way that I would have approached this, or probably just bought somewhere lower. But since I kind of missed out, obviously no FOMO, but if there is some sort of shift in a double break, then and only then I'm still going to look to kind of further buy. If my rules are not met, last thing that I'm going to do is buy. So I'm just saying. So if you want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month trading, click the first link in the description. Get my free emails, and I'll see you in the next one.